Alright everyone, we are back with another airdrop video. It's for Huma.finance. It's for a Solana or a Phantom wallet. So if you have used Huma.finance at all, even just once, I literally only used it once, and I can claim 29 Huma. That's just what I'm going to call it. It's Huma. So as this is literally it right here. It is my staked amount. I staked $10 a few months ago, and I did a 6-month stake only with just $10. I could have done a 3-month stake, but I didn't. And here I can claim and stake, or if I don't want to, I don't have to stake, I can just claim. And when I say I staked, I meant I staked some Solana, $10 amount, and they gave me $10 worth of MEST. They gave me some M post-stress syndrome, and I got this on 3 wallets. Let's just see how much 29 Huma is worth. Oh, damn. I should have claimed it this morning. It's already down 50%. It's down to $115 million market cap. It was up double, so it was at a $230 million market cap. Well, I guess I'm just going to claim and stake them then, because if I got 29 times 3 is 87. Yeah, so I got $5.78 worth. Times that by 2, that was just over $11. $11.50 some odd cents. Not bad though. At the very beginning, that was worth about 12 cents. So $11 some odd cents. It's about $3.80 per account for only staking $10. It's not bad. I do still have them on a freaking 6-month lockup, and I don't exactly remember when I staked them. It was a few months ago, so they're still going to be staked for another 4 months at least. So I'm just going to stake and claim. Not a bad fee at all. Now, I believe this is the, this is the staking fee / transaction, and done. Gonna connect my wallet, confirm that I'm signing in. My portfolio down here, yep, I got 29 stake, and the staking benefits are I'm gonna earn staking rewards for every Huma stake, earn more feathers when you hold PST or MPST. So I'm currently holding MPST because I have $10 stake for 6 months, so that's pretty good. Earn Vanguard status for keeping it all staked for 6 months. I can do that. Unstake anytime you want. No lockup. That is very good. That is very good. None of that stupid fucking 1 year, 3 year lockup shit. No vesting. Reward details will be announced in June. Rewards will apply retroactively. Alrighty, not bad. Let's claim our other wallets and stake these. If you have even used it just once, I would see if you're eligible for claim. I only used it once. Connect wallet, confirm, go to Huma. Right there, we got it staked perfectly on this portfolio. Same thing, $10 staked for 6 months, ending lock October 21st, and now our last one. First transaction to claim it, and now our second transaction to stake it. I'm just gonna go to Huma.finance, make sure we check on our portfolio. Same thing, $10, 6 months, ending on October 21st, 2025. Huma, 25 stake, beautifully. Love it, love to see it. That's just, it's free airdrops. It's free money just from literally staking money. So when that unlocks, I get that money back, and then some on top. And hopefully Huma, right now, what, it's at a $115 million market cap. We get a 10x on that. A 10x on that at currently, what, it was like $5.70 for 87 Huma that we have all together. That means it was like $1.92 per account at the moment for 29 Huma. If we get a 10x on that, that makes it $19. So if it gets to a $1.1 billion market cap, then for staking $10, we will have gotten at least $19 worth of Huma. Plus we're staking it, so we're getting extra rewards. It's free, easy money. If you're not doing it, I don't know what you're doing. So the links will be in the description below. Feel free to do it. Feel free to start doing it. They might do another airdrop. You never know. You never know. We'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.
Make them trays, man.